September is right here, and there's plenty to be finished even as you're out of doors enjoying the final of the year's warm temperature. Harvesting vegetation will keep you busy this month, and there's lots of work to do tidying and preserving vegetation and equipment. Test our What to Sow and Develop in September webpage in case you're looking for planting suggestions. Or, just read on for this month's lawn jobs. In the flower garden, continue to feed and deadhead striking basket and box annuals. They'll frequently maintain going until the primary frosts. Hold deadheading annuals and perennials to extend their overall performance. Deadhead your penstemons, dahlias, and roses to maintain plant life coming. Divide herbaceous perennials because the weather cools. Plant and water in the new divisions well. Prune any late summer flowering shrubs, together with the rock rose, helianthemum. Prune mountaineering roses and rambling roses once they've finished flowering, unless they're repeat flowering types, in which case go away them until later inside the 12 months. In the vegetable garden, hold harvesting plants. When you have a glut of fruit and veg, try freezing, drying, pickling, and storing so you can gain from them afterward. For a touch idea, take a look at our recipes webpage for thoughts on what to make along with your produce. Pinch out the suggestions of outside cordon tomato plant life to concentrate the plant's strength into ripening culmination, and now not generating further increase. Harvest sweet corn. To test if it's equipped, pinch a kernel, it'll launch a milky sap when ripe. If the kernels are starchy, you've got left it too overdue. If they are watery, they want a bit longer to ripen. Pull or cut off the foliage of main crop potatoes at floor level 3 weeks before lifting them. This could prevent blight spores from infecting the tubers as you lift them, and help to firm the skins of the potatoes. Unfold newly dug potatoes out to dry for some hours earlier than storing them in a groovy, darkish vicinity. Shop them in paper or hessian sacks, as this will permit the crop to breathe at the same time as it's in garage. Simplest store undamaged. In the fruit garden, tidy up your strawberry vegetation and clean away any used straw, as this may harbor pests and illnesses over wintry weather. Pot up strawberry runners to make greater plant life for next year. Pick ripe apples. To test once they're ripe, lightly elevate them in the palm of your hand or supply them a mild pull. They have to come away without difficulty. Pick out off-rotting culmination from pear, apple, and stone fruit bushes. They may unfold disease if left at the tree. Mow long grass beneath fruit trees to make it easier to spot Providence fruits. Cover wall-skilled peach trees to save you peach leaf curl from taking maintain. The fungus wishes wet situations to infect the plant life. Learn extra approximately peach leaf curl in our dedicated manual. Harvest plums. If you have more than you need, freeze them via washing, halving, and stoning them, earlier than laying them out on a tray in the freezer.